Welcome back, everyone. Talking about one of my favorite topics. I'm so excited to have Eduardo Avilla here from Sono Bello. And you guys are known for being like the best of the best in body contouring, liposuction, all those amazing things you can do with your body. You're now doing facial treatments as well. First of all, welcome.
Thank you.
Thanks for being here. And tell me a little bit more about Sono Bello. Why do people love it so much? What sets you guys apart?
Well, we're very experienced. So we have over 90 board-certified surgeons that work for our company. And we have over 30 locations. We've done over 65,000 procedures.
Which experience is everything when it comes to this industry. You want to go to someone who's experienced, and you guys are very experienced. What are some of the most common procedures that you guys do?
So the most common is the laser liposuction.
Okay, I've heard a lot about this, the laser lipo. Okay, so tell us a little bit more about it, what it is, and who's the perfect candidate.
Sure. So it's a three-step process. At Sono Bello, we like to call it the tri-sculpt process. And it involves, first of all, we make very small openings. We insert a laser. And the laser does a couple of things. One, it's going to melt the fat. It also stimulates the fibroblasts that in the dermis to lay down new collagen, and that causes the skin to contract.
I'm looking at these before and after pictures, and my jaw is dropped. I cannot believe that this is from, that's amazing. That's incredible. So who would be the perfect candidate for something like this?
So anyone that has unwanted fat is a candidate. So that's almost everyone. Ideal patients are patients that are active, they exercise, they diet, and they're wanting to improve areas.
Awesome. And you're not going under the knife with this, right? This is laser, done with the laser, right?
Right. So we use the laser. We also use very small instruments. These instruments are powered, which allow us to remove the fat quicker and more of it.
Incredible results. I mean, it's pretty amazing stuff. What are some of the other body treatments you guys do at Sono Bello?
So besides the body, which includes all the way from the neck to the ankles, we're also doing face as well. We're doing brow lifts, we're doing upper and lower eyelid surgery, as well as facelifts. Okay,
that's something that a lot of people, I think, have questions about, is getting that upper eyelid done. When do you know if you should be going and getting this done? When do you feel like people should be coming in and making an appointment to talk about it?
So most of our patients are between the ages of 45 to 85. Whenever you start noticing that your eyelids are becoming droopy or your eyelids look tired, have that tired look, you have some fat that's under the eyelid, that's the time when you want to get your upper and your lower eyelids done. And what kind of results have people had with this? You know, the results are excellent. Most people will look about 10 years younger, and the results are phenomenal.
It's incredible. Okay, so you guys are located in Sandy.
We are.
If somebody's curious about coming to you and just wants to set up a consultation, can they do that? What's the best procedure to go about talking about what you should be doing? So
we have a really good website that you can check out, and there'll be a phone number you can call. They're very helpful. And the best thing to do is to schedule an appointment with one of our consultants that can go over all the different things. We have someone that does the consultations for body, and then a separate one that does them for the face.
Oh my gosh, well, it's a big decision. So if you want to get something like this done, definitely go to Sono Bello. Sit down with what are we calling you, Dr. A? I said, I don't want to butcher your last name, but it's Avilla, Eduardo Avilla, or Dr. A. And thank you for being here. Good stuff, you guys. All right, there's all the information on our screen, and you can make an appointment yourself, and we'll have a link on our website. Thank you, Eduardo. All right, we'll be right back.